Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make a simple scrolling background game, and let's make it. Okay, so first things first, I will delete the scratch cards. I'll choose a sprite. I will pick um, something walking. So fantasy, keep walking. Nano. I think this speaker walking is cool. Okay, so I think this is too big. I'll make it to 70. That's nice. We'll paint the sprite, and we'll add a nice green background. Green. And make sure it's slightly it's just over the line, don't make it more than that. And then we'll set x to 0, y 0. Okay, and I will add some trees, maybe later. Okay, so this is grass, and I will actually add some rocks. Okay, I will just make a normal circle, and we'll use the reshape tool to make it like this. Okay. Oh, okay, I'll add rock. Copy, paste, and I'll make it bigger. Okay, and we'll duplicate that. Costume 2. I'll make just one rock. Okay. I'll actually make it a little lower. Okay, that's nice. And we can add trees. I'll add a green tree. Okay, and I'll add a smaller one. There you go. So now in Pico walking, we'll put in one green file clicked. We'll drag it right here. So we'll go to that X and Y position. I'll take it negative 100. And we'll go to front layer, and forever we'll next costume, and I will wait 0.1 seconds. just next costume. Oh, that's too fast. 0.05. Okay, so that's nice. So the grass, when green flag clicked, you'll create clone of myself. And in here we'll switch costume 1. You'll go to x0y0, and forever you'll change x by negative 12 if x position is less than negative 8. So how much does the x can go? 468. So if the x is less than negative 465, we will just simply go to x 480 y0. Let's test that. Okay. So now when I start as a clone, you'll duplicate that. Switch costume 2, and you'll go to x480 first, and I think that's nice. So now we have completed our ground, and now I want to add some mountains. So we'll duplicate this, and I'll add mountains. Darker green. Okay, and use shape tool. Just make some nice curlies like this, and make sure you don't mess up with these two. Okay, we'll copy, and we'll delete everything. We'll paste it. I'll just edit it. Okay, I have 2 of those. Click on myself, and we'll change x here to -6. -6. Okay, so let's test that. And oh, I forgot. Oh, just make it here. Make a big one there. Just different here. Oh, and see that there is a problem with this. Maybe just exit it. Okay, I think that's it. Maybe not so it. Maybe I'll just do this. Okay, switch costumes, costume 1. Yes, those aren't working. I think I will add, just draw a dot here and a dot here, in here too. Okay. Okay, so now let's try it. Yeah. Okay, so this is a nice one. I think I will add this named mountain, and I will edit it. Oh, I did draw something. Just a little bit more perfection. Let me edit it. That should be fine. So now we have that. Now we'll add a stage. We'll add a blue sky. Oh, we'll add a sun. And yes, so I think we are finished here. So thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.